Alright, this is Brandon from Titan Chair Company in Dallas, Texas, and this is going to be the instruction manual over the Osaki OS Pro Maxim. So we'll get started by hitting the top right here. On the top right, you're going to hold down for about 2 seconds. You're going to see your bright LED screen turn on. So before we go over all the functions, I want to show you the settings. So we're going to go to the bottom right here. And as you can see, here's your different types of settings. Here's a language right here. So we have English, Taiwanese, French, and Spanish. I'll go back to English. The voice right here is going to, if you want the beeping when you go through the programs and settings, so I'll turn it back on. This is your background brightness. You turn it high. And then the auto lock. We have an auto lock, you know, if you have kids or anything like that, you don't want to hit any buttons accidentally. It goes for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. We'll return here. Now I'm going to go to the top right and push return. And on the right, we are going to see all our programs. So this is the first page of programs, and we're going to go to the next hand gesture. And then this is the second set of programs that we have. We'll start off by going over the general. The general is going to be on the top left starting. It's the full body massage with various massage techniques. It's intended on relieving fatigue on your whole body. Next to the top right, we have deep tissue. Is a standard course for throughout relaxation based on the strong, kneading, and ultra actions. Next we have is recovery. Recovery focuses on waist and hips, massage with kneading and tapping. It's intended to promote detoxification. Wake up right here. We have a combination with kinds of tapping techniques for back, arm, leg, and full body to wake you up. Our sleeping icon right there is going to be a gentle relaxation course based on tapping actions that helps you fall asleep. On the right side of that, we have the healthy regimen. It's a combination of various massage techniques for waist, hips, thigh, and is intended to shape a healthy body. On the bottom left we have on the first page is stretching. Stretch the back muscles, hands, and full body, in which 4 stretching actions are repeated. Now I'll go to the icon for the next page, and on the top left is going to be man health. The muscles around your lower back will be loosened by soft kneading and strong tapping. On the right side, we have a woman beauty. The muscles around your waist, hips, and thigh will be loosened by kneading and rolling shiatsu. Right here is for the older person. It's older vitality. Is a specially designed for the aged massage with kneading and soft tapping. Right next to that, on the right here, we have kidney vigor. It focuses on the lower back and hips and the massage techniques. The last one for the programs is spleen digest. The muscles between the waist and lower back will be loosened by soft kneading and tapping. Alright, let me go back to the first page. Right here is going to be the timer. It's in 5 minutes. You just tap that, 15, 20, 25, and it goes all the way up to 30. Next we have is the pause button. If you're in the middle of a program, you can stop it and get out of the chair or continue doing whatever you're doing. We'll go back to play. Next we have is the speed of the functions. It has touch the icon to adjust for Swedish, tapping, shiatsu, and clapping. It has 5 stages of variable adjustment. On the right here, you're going to see it kind of looks like a fist. It's called the strength. Touch this icon to adjust intensity of air massages. It has 5 stages of intensities available. This icon right here on the left is going to be the width. Touch to adjust the back roller width. Alright. We're going to go right here to the next option, and this is going to be all your manual massages right here. Kneading, shiatsu, Swedish, tapping, clapping, rolling, spot, and partial. So when you're doing any type of massage right here in the manual, you're going to see a red dot right here. It's going to go all the way up and down your back. Remember, this is an S and L track. So it's going to go underneath your glutes all the way to your quads. So when you see the red dot on a area that you need massaged, you're going to hit spot and it's going to stay right there where you're getting a massage. If you want partial, it's going to hit that one spot right here and go 2 inches down and 2 inches above it. You can move the rollers up and down from this arrow right here, up and down. You have your air massage, which also turns it on while you're doing your manual massage. And then you have your special as well. So your special is going to be your LED lights, which is the chromotherapy lights. A lot of people don't know what chromotherapy is. It's a type of relaxing feeling with the blue lights. You only have 2 layers of skin when you close your eyes, so it helps a nice cool feeling. To turn the feet rollers on or off is this button right here. The seat vibration, that gets the blood circulation. And then we have the heating on the lower back portion right here, the lumbar right here. Next we'll go to the chair adjustment in the zero gravity or the feet adjustment. You have a couple of options right here. You can hit this button twice and it'll go to the zero gravity stage. Or you can hit this button right here is going to actually recline the chair backwards, so down, and then if you want to bring it back up, this one right here is going to be the feet, so it actually brings the feet up. And then if you want to extend the feet out for taller people for a better adjustment. We'll go back to the auto screen. And here you see the timer.